Okay, it's March 31st, 2018. I'm with
Shannon,
and it's about 10:15 p.m. We're about to drive over the new Johnson Street Bridge. It's only been open a little over an hour.
yeah.
It's only been open a little over an hour, and we went over it earlier tonight, about a half hour ago, when we came back from the Victoria Royals game. They played the Vancouver Giants, and they lost 5-3 tonight in game 5 of the first round playoffs. So we'll have to see if they can force the game 7, which would be on Tuesday night. But anyway, we're going over the bridge. This is the new Johnson Street Bridge, everyone. And we're going to go over the other direction too. Now we're going to turn to the left. That's beautiful, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. So if you were going to the right, you would go way over there, but we want to go to the left, which is clearly marked here. Oh, that's well marked, right? This is pretty well marked. And we'll do a left-hand turn here. Then we're going to come back down that road over here in a sec. Actually, there's no reason why I just can't. No, we want to go around. We want to go down there to give the full view like we did the other day. So we'll just pause it for a sec here. Okay, it's still March 18th. No, sorry, March 31st, 2018. Now we're going to go over the bridge the other way. And as I was mentioning in the video when we went over the old bridge, the lane I'm in now was a must-turn right lane. But I think it's still a must turn right, so I was wrong. So I got to get in this other lane, right?
Oh no.
Oh no, but it's set up there.
Oh.
But you're right, yeah. So we're going over the bridge again. This is the same way we went earlier tonight, but we didn't have it recording like. It's recording good now. So there's a yield here. We just got to make sure there's no one coming. There's nobody coming. See, there's 2 lanes going over. See. 2 lanes going this way.
Yeah.
And you see how this is really straight now. This is good.
Yeah.
Right?
If we stay in this lane, we'll be good.
Yeah, we got to stay in this lane as we're going back to Shannon's.
Yeah.
In case I drop her off. And so there you have it, the new Johnson Street Bridge. March 31st, 2018. It's only been open about an hour or so. But I'm sure you're going to see it many more times in future daylight videos.
Yep.
We will do another daylight video as part of this series in a couple of days. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.